Hi, I'm Kyle from HUAWEI Developers, and welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate HUAWEI Awareness Kit. HUAWEI Awareness Kit allows your app to obtain contextual information for the user, including time, location, weather, behavior, headset status, ambient lighting, Bluetooth car stereo status, and the presence of nearby beacons. If a user's current situation matches the preset contextual conditions, your app will receive a notification from Awareness Kit. For example, if the user enters a specific business district and the time they stay within this is beyond the preset limit, your app can send recommendations about nearby services. HUAWEI Awareness Kit is able to track the user's status changes from multiple aspects and offer customized personalized services. The kit leverages cutting-edge software and hardware to obtain bottom-layer data with a high degree of accuracy. Awareness Kit is also instantly responsive to every win thanks to its local chip-based processing and utilization of nearby cloud services. On a device with multiple apps, the device only needs to interact with the kit if all these apps have Awareness Kit integrated. This greatly relieves the pressure put on the device. Now, let's get started. First, open Android Studio, create a project, select Empty Activity, enter your app name and package name, and then click Finish. Now, sign into the HUAWEI Developers website and access the console. Go to HUAWEI App Gallery, My Apps. Click New to create an app. Then specify the app information and click Create. Now, click the Develop tab. From the message that appears, select Manually enter the package name and enter your package name. Make sure it's the same one you used when creating the project. Once you've confirmed it is, click Save. Click the Settings icon and then Manage APIs. Make sure Account Kit and Drive Kit are both enabled. Click Overview and then click here to download the configuration file. Next, place the configuration file under the app directory. Open the build Gradle file, add the HUAWEI Maven repository and the App Gallery Connect dependency. Then open the build Gradle file in the app directory. In this file, add the App Gallery Connect plugin and Awareness Kit dependencies. Add app signature information. Open the Android manifest XML file and then add required permissions. Open the activity main file and add two buttons. One for redirecting to the demo UI, the barrier service, and the other to the demo UI of the capture service. Create two files, activity barrier and activity capture. In the activity barrier file, add three buttons and a custom log view. Then add the same elements in the activity capture file. Open main activity and use it to implement the onClick Listener API. In the onCreate method, bind view elements. Then use the check and request permission method to check and request the permissions. As shown in the logic, a permission application request will automatically begin if your app does not have the required permissions. Now let's implement the onClick method. When a user taps a button, the onClick method is executed. Tap a specific button will proceed to the corresponding activity UI. Create a capture activity and use it to implement the onClick Listener API and also the onClick method. In the onCreate method, bind view elements and add tap events. In the onClick method, tapping a different button will trigger a different logic. Add the getHeadsetStatus method to obtain the headset status. Add onSuccessListener and onFailureListener for this method. When the headset status is obtained successfully, we can check the headset status in the onSuccess callback. The headset status can be connected or disconnected. Add the getTimeCategories method to obtain the current time. Add onSuccess listener and onFailure listener for this method. The time can be passed during the onSuccess callback. Create a barrier activity and use it to implement onClickListener. In the onCreate method, find view elements and set onClickListener. Add the barrier receiver class, which comes from broadcast receiver, to display the result of the broadcast event. Add the add barrier method and pass the label and barrier information to update the barrier information. If the update is successful, you'll find add barrier success in the onSuccess callback method. If the update fails, add barrier failed can be found in the onFailure callback method. Add the delete barrier method and pass the labels you want to delete to update the barrier information. If the update is successful, you'll see remove barrier success. If the update fails, remove barrier failed will be displayed. Tapping a button will trigger the onClick method. A tap on a different button will trigger a different logic. When a user taps the add barrier button, the headset barrier connecting method is called to obtain a barrier instance and create a label. When a user taps the add combination barrier button, we can use the AND method to combine the information of two barriers and execute add barrier to add the information. Tapping the clear log button will clear all logs. In the onDeStory method, unregister all receivers and call delete barrier to delete all barriers. We've now finished our coding, so let's try it out. Tap Awareness Capture Sample. On this screen, tap Get Time Categories to obtain the current time. Tap Get Headset Status to obtain the headset status. Here, we can see that the headset is not connected, so let's first connect a headset to the phone and then tap Get Headset Status again. The headset status changes to connected. Go back to the previous screen and tap Awareness Barrier Sample. On this screen, tap Add Barrier to add a barrier. To add a combination of barriers, tap Add Combination Barrier. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit the HUAWEI developers website and be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.